Jury selection is underway in the trial of Mario Fernandez-Saldana. He's one of the people accused in the murder of Jared-Bridegan in Jax Beach back in 2022. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Anthony Austin.
And I'm Jeannie Blaylock. Investigative reporter Riley Phillips joins us live now outside the courthouse. She has been inside the courtroom all day, and Riley says the potential jurors, they were split today into groups.
Yes, 100 potential jurors were brought into the courtroom today for phase one of this jury selection process. They were split into two different groups based on whether they had any conflicts or if they knew anything about this case. But something happened next that made us get our own attorneys involved. After potential jurors were split into two groups, Group 1 was asked to go into another room with Judge London Kite, the attorneys, and Mario Fernandez-Saldana to answer some questions. We were not allowed in that room at first, but we objected and our own attorney got involved. She was able to argue for us to be allowed inside that room. Once inside the room, both the prosecution and the defense asked about scheduling conflicts and financial hardships. They also asked if anyone has heard something about this case and whether that knowledge could prevent them from being impartial. There were a handful of people who were excused because of their knowledge of this case. And Mario Fernandez-Saldana was inside the courtroom today. He was wearing a suit. He did greet the potential jurors as they walked inside the courtroom, but other than that, he did not say much. Before this trial begins, though, we want to take a look back at everyone involved in this case and how they're all connected. Starting with Jared Bridegan, a 33-year-old Microsoft executive. He was living in St. Augustine at the time and was married to Kirsten Bridegan. They had two children together, including Bexley, who was 2 years old when she was in the back seat of the car while Jared was shot and killed just feet away. Shanna Gardner is Jared's ex-wife. They also share two children together. Gardner and Jared got divorced in 2015. She met Mario Fernandez-Saldana at a gym in 2018, and they were married shortly after. They're accused of conspiring to kill Bridegan and hiring Henry Tenen to pull the trigger. Court records show Fernandez-Saldana leased a home to Tenen. And phase one of jury selection continues tomorrow. Anyone who is retained is being asked to fill out a questionnaire and then report back to court on Wednesday. Live in downtown Jacksonville, Riley Phillips, First Coast News, on your side.
Riley, thank you for breaking that all down for us, and you can count on us for live coverage of the trial on First Coast News Plus and the latest headlines anytime on our website, firstcoastnews.com.